Hey guys, today I came to talk a little about the Smoothie Diet book. It seems to be a recipe book in the first print we have, but there is something that I was impressed with it, as I am often overweight. As I have already mentioned here on the channel, I have been to professionals several times and they were given diets without any basis. They just said that I needed to eat such a thing and I was not explained why. With the Smoothie Diet book you know the purpose of everything you are doing during the plan. There are a few days of detox and when your body gets used to the diet, what starts to get difficult to lose weight during the process is when it changes the whole diet. The plan it offers is impressive. Researching about it, I met some people who used it and managed to lose weight in 21 days up to 15 kilos less. From what I've learned about it, the Smoothie Diet has a programmed way to trick your metabolism and keep you burning fat without much effort. Talking to girls who are passionate about what happened to their lives after using the Smoothie Diet, I was able to see firsthand the transformation it brings about. And so you don't think it's a product like any other on the internet, that it only promises it has something surreal. The program makes you lose weight in 21 days and gives you a 60-day guarantee. In other words, you can do the program 21 days almost 3 times and the guarantee still won't be over. KK, that's a real guarantee. I was shocked when I read it, and of course it encouraged me a lot. I don't know about you, but I've already started some things that I stopped halfway through. With this book I can start over at least 3 times, and I'll still be in the guarantee period. But you guys already know, like everything on the internet, we need to be careful who we buy so that we don't end up buying counterfeit things. I left the link to the official website for you in the video description. I hope that, like me, you enjoy it a lot and lose weight, because summer 2024 is right around the corner. If you like this type of video, subscribe to my channel, like the video and send it to your friends.